have come here to see quite good work that has gone on, moving from a bare land like degraded now and getting to regenerated land like this.
Yeah.
This is a really, really good practice that we really want other countries. We've gone to Somalia, we've gone to northeastern Kenya.
Yeah.
There is a lot of land degradation.
Okay.
And our work is to document this and take to other areas so that they can also do the same.
Okay.
So starting from here to now, a very good land like that. What have you people done?
First of all, to discuss with the community, and then
so there has to be community
acceptable.
Yeah. Mobilizing of community.
Yeah.
To come together, agree.
Yes.
Which you say takes long, like a year.
A year, yeah.
Before they accept.
Yeah.
Then thereafter you continue with the work after they have accepted.
Yeah. So the project is now owned by the community. They reserve. They do not allow any animal to get into this area closure.
So they don't come to graze here, but they come to
cut and go.
To them.
Oh, yeah.
Because if they graze here,
among the very tough thing which will let erosion is the hoof of the animals.
Yes, yes, yes.
The hoof of animals, which is broken the soil textures. We first we provide tools,
yes.
Farm tools like shovels, then hoes and the like, and the wheelbarrow, something like that. And also we established a nursery site where they have produced these trees. So first you have to plant any type of plant so that can regenerate. So when it dies, it bursts and it dies and creates a soil stream. But the very important thing is, soil is made by decaying of recycling all stones, the leaves and the biomasses. Unless you able to create a biomass in the top, how can soil come? Among the very support of the government is practicing professional laying of the contour. There are professional engineers, soil engineers, which let the measurement contour between two lines and the spacing between the trees and the type of the trees to be planted.
They don't just plant any tree, they have to fast maturing, needs very little rain, the canopy will cover
very well, yeah.
Excellent. So in terms of sustainability, even after the project, you will not need any more funds to come in. Now community can do this on their own.
Absolutely. This is what we are learning from them. We will see when we get down to the nursery side. We established, you can see easily the project impact in a simple way. We have established the nursery site for this purpose and for other areas. So what happened? Next to our nursery site, which the project established, the Wolaita University established a new nursery site for bamboo.
Bamboo now is economically
very important, yes, and it is good for an area where highly degraded one. Because if you plant it without any problem, it shoots one.
Up and bring the soil.
And the rooting style is gone. Yeah. You can see that the biodiversity start to improve. Grasses which were not comes again. Plants which were not around comes again. There are 55 head of household working in the nursery, producing these seeds. Those 55 households work in the nursery have a direct economic benefit from there. They are some amount.
So this is
a multidimensional. Income level, those people working there again.
In terms of animal nutrition, building the house.
And when this is too much, the community will make an observation and make some pieces out of it for wood.
And the commercial.
Yeah.